Hello there, in today's video we're going to talk about another concept, another news where we talk about the fact that Marcus Rashford has given an update from Manchester United's staggered return to the training. And it's a positive news where he has said, Marcus Rashford says there that there are still a couple of Manchester United players yet to return to full training after there was an outbreak in their squad, but is now back, and but most of the squad is now back and are preparing for their next Premier League fixture. The Red Devils haven't played since beating Norwich on 11 December, which has been quite an issue to think about. And with the recent matches against Brentford and Brighton postponed due to a number of players testing positive, for the health hazards right now. United's Carrington training ground was even closed in order to keep the outbreak under control, and it reopened on Tuesday with training resuming. Rashford confirmed that nearly the entire squad was back in training on Wednesday, but there were still a couple of players yet to return and scheduled to do so on Thursday. The lads have been training, and today we brought all the rest of the lads back to the training, and there are only a couple left that will be coming in tomorrow, Rashford told United Daily. So we've pretty much got the full squad back, which is a positive thing going on to this week. It has been disrupted me time under the new manager Ralf Rangnick, who had won both Premier League matches. He had taken charge before the outbreak of the pandemic, before there were health issues in the club. Rashford has said the players have put the disappointment of matches being postponed behind them, though, and are looking ahead to a trip to Newcastle on Monday. Everyone is looking forward with a positive note, and everyone is very positive at all the minutes, said the England forward. And with an attacking team like Ronaldo, Sancho, Greenwood, Fred, Rashford, we can certainly do really well. We are all disappointed when the last game got cancelled, but at the end of the day, there's nothing you can really do about it, because priority of your health is first. We have to just focus on the next game, and that will be played, and hopefully that that game goes ahead, and United are hoping to have the likes of Rafael, Edinson Cavani, Aaron Wan-Bissaka, Victor Lindelof, Anthony Martial all available for the game, following the recent injuries and the recent issues that have occurred. So they're planning to have everybody back. And Marcus Rashford has given a very positive update for the Manchester United squad. And Marcus Rashford has happily reported that most of his Manchester United teammates have been training hard at Carrington, and more players are set to join the squad on Thursday. The training ground was temporarily closed down to halt the spread of the virus and the pandemic and all the issues that are currently going on. And the cases, and it reopened on Tuesday, and the day after the Premier League confirmed festivities, festive fixtures would go ahead, with full speed. Our recent games against Brentford and Brighton, were cancelled. We saw the games were cancelled due to some health issues, but health comes first. But we are very positive for the next trip to Newcastle, and we are very glad, and we surely will be able to show some very good pressing play on the ground. United are unbeaten in 6 matches across all competitions, and the last 3 of those were earned under the interim management of Ralf Rangnick. Though I have to agree, they did not play quite well under the team of Norwich. But I do think that has to do something with their lack of motivation. I guess they couldn't just grasp the game. They couldn't grasp it, and they need more time. As Rashford told us at Carrington today, the players have handled the recent postponements professionally, and everybody is excited for our return to action at St James Park. The lads have been training, and today we brought all the rest of the lads back to training, and there are only a couple left that will be coming in tomorrow, says Marcus. And in the latest episode of our news bulletin, United Daily, so we've pretty much got the full squad back, which is a very positive thing going on into this week. And Marcus is one of my favorite players. Marcus Rashford has always been a favorite player. Not only because of his charity work. He's always been a very positive player. I still remember his game against PSG, where he scored a phenomenal goal. With a simple turnaround, he scored a wonderful goal with just a turnaround. The game against PSG, that was a wonderful goal he had scored. And United earned, a 1-0 win over Crystal Palace from Ranieri's first match in charge, and a much changed side followed that up with a credible Champions League draw against Young Boys, and where we won a recent valuable game against Norwich. We just have to win games anyhow we can, because we have to secure the top 4 spot. Rashford believes that everyone is determined to build on these positive results starting at Newcastle. Everyone is looking forward and everyone is on a very positive note at the moment. And we're all disappointed whenever games are cancelled. It's not a easy thing for anybody, and everybody knows that the Christmas schedule can often have a massive influence on your overall season. With so many matches packed into a short amount of time, Rashford loves this time of the year, predictably, and Manchester United lad is confident that we will be successful. So Rashford has talked about the fact, about the Christmas schedule, the Christmas time, and how this is a time when everybody is under stress, everybody is a bit stressed out. People are under a bit stress. People are, they are quite a bit stressed out. And he has also said, that everybody is under pressure. We have to play a lot of matches within a very short time, and it's not easy for us. It's not easy for anybody. He said, I definitely enjoy this time of the year. I think the way you start the season and the way you play and the results you get around the Christmas period are probably the most important points. So if you have a good Christmas period, then we can keep that momentum going, and then we will be able to take that to big games, and we'll definitely be able to qualify in the Champions League in this season. So that's something Marcus Rashford has given an update on. So most of the Manchester United players are back right now. They're back. Marcus Rashford has come back to training as well. So that's also a very interesting thing. So yeah, the players are returning to training. So yeah, that's also a very interesting concept. That's something we should also talk about. And yeah, this is something So this is the positive spirit Manchester United was missing. This is one of the positive spirits that they were missing. That they basically that they were lacking. This is something very, very positive, and we had this negativity under Ole because we weren't trained properly. And that's where you make the big difference. That's where basically there's a big difference. That's where the major differences are carried out. So this is something we have to take into account. We have to be positive, even though I know people were upset that games were cancelled. But I think it's more important than your health. If the players are in good health, then they can play more games, and they can play games maintaining all the safety, and every precaution that they have to take, they should take it, and then when it's safe, they should come and play. So that's what Rashford has said, and Rashford has also told everybody, that they are back, the squad is back, they're training very hard, that they're going to have a good Christmas, and they're going to take a lot of points. We're going to go ahead, and we're going to go to the Champions League. That's what I believe. I believe we're going to do it. And I want you to believe that as well. Have belief in yourself, have belief in the team. Until further notice, take care.